it's already half an hour through. I don't know how much warm up we need, but still, it's a creative activity we want to do, regardless of if you are already warmed up or drunk or anything else. So you can see I'm screen sharing. This little tiny one on my side. It's just my second monitor. I'm capturing and showing everything that is happening there. And I also have my mouse here, and you can see it has this little highlighter around it so that you can see where I'm showing. There is not much to show, but still, if you are a trainer or somebody who demonstrates things, it doesn't matter which tool, it always makes sense to have, because a mouse is very small, or a mouse cursor on the screen, that helps people and guides them a little bit so they see where you are clicking. The screen is, I'm so sorry because the screen is very, very small, but who cares? I have different views I prepared. So this is another scene where the first one was this one, because I wanted your focus on me and my stupid jokes. But when I want your focus more on the content I'm sharing, it's the second button, and it makes it a little bit bigger. So you have my face and you have the Miro board on the left. And if I want the full focus on the content, my third button I set up is like this. So you have the full board. Of course, you also have the full board on your side. But again, this is recorded. If anybody wants to watch it afterwards, they will see everything you did, how you did it. And I tried to do something new today, a little bit of magic. I'm not sure if it will work out, but let's just try it out. I will give you some instructions, and the purpose of this is, let's say we have, I don't know, maybe it's 3 minutes or so. Let me see, I messed something up here. I definitely messed something up. Give me a second. I'm pretty sure I messed something up. Oh, okay. So I don't need this. So it should be like this again. Okay. The purpose of this, it's end of the year, and we just want to get a little bit creative. If I bring you to me, I can bring people to me by clicking on my own face and say, bring everybody to me. No, bring everyone to me. So you all know where I'm at. I want you to add visuals on this little frames. There are 5 frames. We are about, I don't know, maybe roughly 15 or 20 people. And I just want to create a little end of the year collaborative artwork. It doesn't matter which frame you choose. You can work on multiple ones, doesn't matter. You can add whatever you like. The only rule we have for this is try to stay with your visuals inside of the frame. So inside of the black border, that would be the only rule. And I will show you how you can add things. Don't overthink it. At the end, it should be something Van Gogh-like. It doesn't have to be realistic or something. So on the left side, you have this menu, and you can either click on the plus if you don't see it and search for Icon Finder, which is this tool. And in the Icon Finder, you can find a lot of icons that you may, I don't know, what's the word? That look like, has something to do with New Year or with celebration or with end of the year or whatever. Associate, that was the word I was looking for. And you can just type something in the top, like, I don't know, firework, and enter, and you will find firework like this. The second source you can use is there is stickers and emojis. Again, press on the plus if you don't see them, and then search for stickers and this one, and you can go through them and just drag and drop something here. Okay? You can also use things you have on your desktop. You can just drag and drop them from anywhere on your PC or your Mac, or anywhere from Google. If you go on Google, search for an image you like or an icon you like, just drag and drop it. There, the only thing is please make sure to stay inside of the frames. You can use the pen tool, which is again, press the plus if you're new to Miro, search for pen, and I will delete mine, and you can just write something if you like, or just color something. You can add shapes, you can add sticky notes if you like. I will delete this. You can add a sticky note with, I don't know, Happy New Year, something like this. And if you select whatever the image is you edit, you can resize it, grabbing it from the corner, making it bigger or smaller. And on the top and on the bottom left corner, there is a little circle, so you can rotate things. Please respect the artworks of others, but you can interact with them. So you can overlay them. Please make sure there is no white space left. And because you're not taking this serious, I will just do the following. Let's say this. Of course, please finish. While I am speaking. I like to do stuff like this because it's a no-brainer. You don't have to know nothing. That's just my kind of activities. Just turn off your brain and drag stuff on a Miro board, as easy as it can get. But we will use this, and you will see how I will use this, and probably also learn something in Miro. Okay. I told you multiple times, everything that's outside of the little frames will not be visible. So last chance to put stuff that's outside inside. Yeah, I can. Okay, that looks. Thanks, Andre. Inside the frame, inside the white one. You can overlap, yeah, something like this. You can overlap others. Great. Okay, this looks great. And now I hope it works out, but I'm not sure. Here is something that's hidden. It's nothing you should worry about. Let me, should I help? Okay, great. Leave it like this. It looks great. And I will do the following. I will just add this on top. So that was the purpose of why I said, please keep it inside. And I will group it. And I will Control-Shift-C, and I will paste it here. Now I have an image of what we created. You can see it on my screen, I hope, or at the right. I should probably turn off the cursors and do it again. So Control-Shift-C and Control-Shift-V. Here we are. Okay. And now I will download it. In the Miro, you can download images when you click on, spoiler, the download button at the top of every image, and then it will be downloaded to your downloads directory. However, did it work? It should. And now, if I switch back to my, I hope it works, I'm not sure. If I switch back to my scene, you should be able to see that the thing we just created is here. So it's swinging in picture frames inside of my room. There it is. And if you pay close attention, it should be even like moving in the wind. And it can stay there for the rest of this session. Of course, I could just have added an image there, which would have the same effect, but then we would have like 5 minutes left, and you would fall asleep. So combining it with an activity and the gag, or what I find funny, I can laugh about small things in life, is you added something to my room. It's literally I don't have any green screen or something. It's literally swinging in my room. We could also do this with something else, but you are part of this presentation or part of this talk. Although you're not allowed to speak, but see what happens when you are silent for 40 minutes. Great things can happen.